One of the things that we can lend is some advice as to what syringe filter type should be used with what analysis method. Gas chromatography, GC, would generally use PTFE membranes, and they're typically sufficient for 0.45 micron porosity, just because particle size is not as prevalent an issue in gas stream as it is liquid. And then in ion chromatography and mass spec, generally you'd use PES, nylon, or regenerated cellulose, RC. For PES, you've got low ion extractables, and that's generally good for aqueous solutions. Nylon is suitable for aqueous solution as well, but if you're working with proteins, make sure that you're using a low protein binding membrane, and that's where PES will generally be used, or PVDF. And then regenerated cellulose is generally, it demonstrates low extractables for IC. That's usually the preference. And a really exciting category that LabExact has is just plain glass microfiber. So again, our forte is glass microfiber. It's a depth filter. And I hope everyone listening to this goes to the lab bench and does this little experiment. But believe it or not, you can stack syringe filters. They are designed to be male female sides. So you've got a Lure lock and a slip port, and one goes into the other. And many don't realize that you can build a stacked filter right at the lab bench, as easy as putting two of them together. So if you use a glass microfiber filter prior to the absolute filter, the membrane filter, you can pre-filter your sample in one shot, and it works great. We offer a 1 micron and a 7/10 micron glass microfiber pre-filter. And what's really exciting about our glass is it's binderless. So there's no glues or adhesives or substances that can leach out into your sample, which makes it really clean reading, lowers the background noise, and you get a really sharp peak.
I'm glad you got into that because I had no idea that stacking was possible. So that's a great tip
Yep.
for anyone out there.
Yep. Thanks.